for giving me this opportunity to talk about this report.
Very well. Well, honor members, what I'll do, I'll give one person this over.
Give me 1 minute. Mr. Speaker, who are the people that imported the contaminated sugar? Which companies imported the contaminated sugar? Which companies, name by name, did not pay duty and evaded taxation? We want to know the names, not 14 companies. What did the public officers, including ministers, what role did they play in the importation of sugar?
That answer is not properly given. I know it has been glossed over that there was sugar found in Isili and there was another one found in Bungoma that has some traces of mercury. But is it significant enough to say that this country has sugar laced with mercury?
Is the sugar that we are consuming fit for human consumption, Mr. Speaker?
Kenyans are waiting for one question only. Is the sugar safe or not safe? No other question.
This is nothing. This is actually witch hunt. And I think, Mr. Speaker, the committee ought to have done a good job, not jumping up and down, not allowing themselves to be used to settle political scores.
We set them out on a mission to go and do tests, not testing sugar, so that we can get answers.
As many as of the counter opinion say no. The nays have it.